All right, here's the anticipated sales book. I've been promising some of you, and it was a bigger bear than I thought. Anyways, a lot of this came from, first of all, I want to give credit for where credit's due here. Scott Brinkley, Next Star Business Coach, who taught this process, and this book process is his. I've just added a card process. What you see on the screen right now is the card for it. But you can see the tabs down here at the bottom. These book setups. I'm going to jump right to these book setups over here if I can. So basically, these are presentation books for your comfort consultants. And we'll get into how to use this here in a minute. But Scott Brinkley is the mastermind behind this. So let's give him all the credit. So we got system books, we got furnace books, and we have AC books. And then I created a lot of my members use a card. So I created a card for them. So here's a system card that shows the different types of systems. You got a 5-star elite, a 5-star comfort, a 4-star comfort, 3-star comfort, and a 2-star comfort. I didn't come up with any of these terms. Again, that's Scott Brinkley. And this whole thought process with maximum capacity has brought out this book and a much better way to present as well. So again, you see Scott Brinkley, buy him a beer. Bud Light. That's his brand. All right. So we got system card here, got a furnace card here, and got an AC card here, and then the equipment page, and then the setup. All right, so from right there, I just spent 2 minutes of your life giving you an overview. So now I'm going to dig into the details here. Okay, so go get a cup of coffee, and we'll dig in. I already got mine. All right, so first we're going to start with the thought process here, and that is your equipment. So I want you to identify what is your most reliable furnace and what is your most reliable air conditioner. And one thing I want you to make sure that you're not doing is you're not selling, or you're not going to include with this book, because this book is based off of one furnace and one air conditioner. It's got the different tons. Okay, so we've got the tons figured out up here. But I want you to pick out the most reliable furnace and the most reliable SEER rating, which means when the manufacturer comes to you and they want to promote their newest, latest, and greatest, run away, kick them out the door. You don't want to be their test monkey. Okay, I want you to be selling equipment that is tried and true. You guys know how to install it, and you believe the equipment gives you no callbacks. So I want you to install an equipment that is borderline here. Callbacks will kill you. So pick the right system, okay? Because it's going to be based off of the presentation. Pick the right furnace for you. Pick the right SEER rating for you. It's going to be different across the country, but I'm just saying, don't try to be everything to everybody. Plus, when you're selling one furnace type, one air conditioning type, you can get better pricing because you're not running all over the board trying to put in stuff, and you're not confusing your technicians, your installers, on what it is we're going to install. This is what we're going to install. We're the pros. We're deciding this system is our system. Okay? So now I'm 4.5 minutes into this. Sorry. Had to get that out of the way. All right, so equipment. Pick out your 110, 1.5 ton, 2 ton, 2.5, 3 ton, 3.5, 4 ton, 5 ton furnace. I just threw in numbers here, okay? I just pulled them out of the air. Then your reliable SEER rating, okay? Don't use this year's, last year's, 2 years ago's latest and greatest SEER rating. I want you to go with old reliable, okay? Input your equipment. Tonnage is the only factor. Okay. Offer the SEER rating that is most reliable and your best seller. We want to sell the equipment that is most reliable and that all installers can install with a high success rate. Okay? You might like heat pumps, but if you suck at it, don't do it. Okay? All right. So pick out, and then just go ahead and enter in. You can just type in your cost of your equipment right here. All right? Now we're going to go to the setup page. Setup page, we have accessories for the 5-star elite, the 5-star, the 4-star, the 3-star, and the 2-star. Okay, so this would be what's going to go into a 5-star elite. This is going to go into a 5-star. This is going to go into a 4-star. This is going to go into a 3-star, and this is going to go into a 2-star. Now, don't get wrapped around too much of the axle of what it is we're putting in here. This is an example of what you could put in, and I'll just go back here to the card. So a 5-star elite comes with a 10-year parts and labor warranty, a 10-year not a dime warranty, or comes with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year not a dime warranty. So you want to plug that in, your cost of what do you think that's going to cost you for that not a dime warranty over 10 years. Is it $100 a year? Is it $500 a year? I mean, $500 for the system. So $1,000 for 10 years would be $100 a year. If it's more than that, then you have to times that by 10 to put that cost in here. All right. So again, back here to the systems. 10-year parts, 10-year not a dime warranty, meaning the labor portion of it. Here's an accessory, an air scrubber. Have no idea what that is. Pristine air. Have no idea what that is. Touchscreen thermostat. I've heard of it. Antibacterial fogging sanitation. I have no idea what that is. Dial-in humidity control and a 3-year service agreement. System checks with system checks. So a 3-year agreement goes in there. Permitted code, compliant installation by criminally background screened and drug tested, and put in your company name. You got to come down here and do your company name, and then that'll populate all the way across, and it'll populate on all the cards. You have to do that with each card. You have to put in your company name in each card. Okay? If you're going to use the cards. So anyways, this is what you get here. So it comes out to this is a system now that comes out to a 5-ton system is $21,000. Based off of the inputs from the setup here. And I'll walk you through the setup here too. So now we've got a 5-star system. And this pristine air does not come with a 5-star system, so it's red. This humidity control, dial-in humidity control, does not come with a 5-star system, but all of this does. So the customer can see what comes with this and what comes with this, so they can kind of do their assessment. And then the same thing with 5-star. This 4-star doesn't come with a touch screen thermostat. It comes with a digital programmable. It doesn't come with a anti-fogging sanitation whatever. Doesn't come with one. Doesn't come with a 3-year. Comes with a 2-year system service agreement and system check. Then when you're looking at the 3, you can see that it doesn't come with a 10-year warranty. It comes with a 5. Doesn't come with a 10-year not a dime. It comes with a 5-year labor warranty. Doesn't come with a digital programmable thermostat. It comes with a digital thermostat. And it doesn't come with a 2-year service agreement. It comes with a 1-year service agreement. And then you look at your comfort system number 2, and it doesn't come with a 5-year warranty. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It doesn't come with a digital thermostat. It comes with whatever thermostat is less than a digital thermostat, I guess. A 1-year service agreement. It only comes with a 1 seasonal startup. So this is a system. So this is the stair step for the systems. So you got a 5-star, and you'll notice that there's about a $10,000 difference between the two. I want you to understand This system here is the exact equipment for all of the systems. So the cost of the equipment is exactly the same for all of them. Okay? So you're still standing behind the equipment in all of this. The only thing that is different is the accessories are different. So these accessories, the wants and needs of these accessories are a $10,000 swing between here and there. Now hear me out. I couldn't get this to work with just adding the accessories in there. So I'm going to show you what else it's going to come with, what a 5-star elite system is going to come with. Okay, I'll show you that here in a minute. So just hang on to your horses because I know that's your question. All right. So that's the whole process here. We're basically selling the same system, heating and furnace and air conditioner on all of these. The only difference is what's included here to what's included here is the cost differential. Okay, and I'll show you how we get to that. I'm going to go through the furnace. You'll also notice that these same IEQ products or additional warranties or agreements are the same for system pricing, are the same for furnaces, are the same for air conditioners only. So you have the same stair-stepping of pricing for all of them. Okay? You'll notice that it's a $10,000 swing between the two. And it's all because of this and what I'm about to show you here in a little bit. All right? So that's how we stair-step this down to the customer. Bottom line, you're going to be happy whether you sell this or whether you sell this. So there's not a losing system in any of these for the company. First of all, it's the same equipment. Okay? It's just different deliverables. And one more thing that I'm going to show you. Okay? So we got our equipment cost. Now I'm going to show you the price book before I get over here to the setup. So if you're not comfortable with the cards, here's a price book. So here's a system book. And this is page 1. So this is a 5-star elite and it's a 5-ton. Tells you down here code what it's priced out at. As you set up your equipment cost in your setup, all of this is going to be pre-populated into the book and it's going to change the price. So the only changes that you'll ever have to make are right in here, either in the setup or in the equipment cost, and the book will automatically populate. I've set the page breaks for you. So when you're presenting this in a book form, this would be, if you open up a 3-ring binder, this would be on the right-hand side because it'd be the first product that you're going to offer. Now you're going to go to the 5-star system. Well, what's going to be on the left-hand side is this, because this is showing it what it doesn't come with, similar to what it's showing it doesn't come with over here. Okay? So this is going to be on the left-hand side, and then this will be on the right-hand side. Oops. This mouse is goofy on me today. Okay, so you'll have when a customer's looking at, I'm not sure what the hell happened here. It's got a mind of its own right now. Okay, it's going to have a mind of its own. We're going to leave it. I don't want to mess with it. Okay, I said I don't want to mess with it. I do. Okay, so this 5-star will be on the right-hand side, and then this will be on the left-hand side. So the customer will be able to see the difference between the 5-star elite and the 5-star, just like they can on the card from a 5-star elite to a 5-star. So they can see all of this, okay? Now, we'll have a determination whether you want to show this or you want to just show this or you want to show it all. All that can be set up. So I set this up on an 84-month program, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But anyways, so here's our card. So you got one for systems, and you got one for your furnace book, and you got one for your AC book. All right. So that's the books. Now we're 15 minutes in. 15 minutes in to go ahead and go through that process. I'm going to have you jump over to the next video because I'm going to cut this down to a 15-minute video here. Go to the next video and I'll show you these next two tabs.